Hi, welcome all of you. Today our topic is voice. So, before starting this topic, being your facilitator, it becomes my humble responsibility to make aware of you about some spice of English grammar as well as of voice. These spies are what, when, how, and why. Regarding this topic, voice, you must have some confusion. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਛ ਨਾ ਕੁਛ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਨਫਿਊਜ਼ਨ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਕਿਉਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰੀਏ ਸੋ ਆਈ'll give you simultaneously the answers of your all these questions while explaining this topic. So your first question is what is this and what is its structure and what exactly the active passive voice are. So basically there are two ways in which we can describe an action performed by subject in relation with the object. Those are active voice and passive voice. In active voice, ਹੁਣ active voice 'ਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? In active voice, we have the sentence structure subject, verb, object. In this, subject performs an action and object receives an action. And in passive voice, the order is reversed. In this, the sentence structure is object, verb, and subject. And here we always use verbs third form. Means in active voice, if we have first form, second form, third, fourth or fifth form. But while converting it into the passive voice, we always हमेशा हम यूज करते हैं verb की third form and by being added to it. So I'll give you two examples. First one is Param made a toy. Here Param is subject, verb and object is toy. So when we convert it into passive voice, then first we will follow this sentence structure. First object, a toy, was made by Param. Second one, Sheena sings a song. Sheena is subject, sings verb and object is a song. So we convert it as a song is sung by Sheena. So there might be a question of yours that how we convert active into passive. So for that I have prepared one chart over here on a whiteboard. It might not be visible to you. For that I'll further add one pic of this whiteboard. You can clear from there. Okay. So there are some basics. Here I am giving you some tips and tricks that you won't found in the books or from the books. So please listen very carefully. Like basic tenses are 12, but in grammar we use only 8 tenses. सिर्फ 8 tenses ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਅਸੀਂ grammar 'ਚ use ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. 4 are not included in the grammar. Those are present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, then future continuous. ਇਹ 4 tenses ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈ ਉਹ grammar 'ਚ use ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ because these are not grammatically correct. So we use only 8 tenses. Next thing is you might have heard about 3 forms. This is clear to all of you. सबको पता है कि 3 forms हैं, but basically there are 5 forms of the verbs that I am going to explain you. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. 3 forms you know. And what is the fourth and the fifth form? Both are first form, but with fourth form we will add verbs first form plus ing. In fifth form, first form plus SOS. I'll give you one example. If I take go as an example, go first form, went second form, gone third form, and fourth form go plus ing, going. Fifth form goes. So these are the 5 forms in grammar. Next, while converting active into passive, you keep 5 stars in your mind. First one is identify. First of all, you have to identify the sentence, like whether that is of active voice or passive voice. How you will convert it? There is a particular structure that I have already explained you. मैंने आपको पहले explain किया उसका structure. Active voice में the sentence structure will be subject, verb, object. In passive voice, object plus verb plus subject and by being added to it. Okay? और पैसिव वॉइस में हमेशा क्या उसकी पहचान है कि वर्ब की हमेशा ही आपने थर्ड फॉर्म लगानी है. ये माइंड में, ये जो ट्रिक है इसको माइंड में बिठा लो कि वर्ब की हमेशा थर्ड फॉर्म लगानी है आपने. और पहचान कैसे होगी कि वो पैसिव वॉइस है? वी ऑलवेज यूज प्रपोजिशन बाय इन पैसिव फॉर्म. तो बाय दिख रहा है आपको, तो आपको इजीली पहचान हो जाएगी कि वो पैसिव वॉइस है. ओके, थर्ड इज कन्वर्ट मेन वर्ब इनटू थर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, कोई भी फॉर्म है, 5 फॉर्म्स में से कोई भी फॉर्म है, तो आपने उसको कन्वर्ट करके हमेशा थर्ड फॉर्म लगाना है. दिस इज द ट्रिक हियर कि थर्ड फॉर्म लगाना है आपने. नेक्स्ट, कन्वर्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब फॉर्म टू बी अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, तो दैट इज द रूल्स कि क्या है वहाँ पे, उसके जो रूल्स क्या हैं. इज एम आर किस में चेंज होगा, वाज वर किस में चेंज होगा. फर्दर आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू अ कंप्लीट चार्ट ऑफ conversion from active to passive tense wise. From that you get this fourth कि कैसे helping verb को हमने change करना है and what is the rule of that. Fifth one is put by. आपने by लगाना है. Okay, passive voice में. So next application is regarding pronouns. I will change into me, he, him, she, her. दे देम, यू में रहता है, इट में रहता है, एंड मेन. दीज वर द प्रोनाउंस जो कैसे चेंज होने हैं. बट नाउन आपने कैसे चेंज करना है? नाउन मीन्स नेम. ठीक है, तो नेम चेंज करने का कोई वो नहीं है. नेम चेंज ही नहीं होता है. अगर राम है तो राम रहेगा, सीता है तो सीता है, अगर श्याम है तो श्याम रहेगा. वट एवर इज देयर विल रिमेन सेम. अगर So, to make you familiar with this topic, active passive voice, I have prepared one chart. In this chart, you will have all the rules over here in a single chart, how to convert active into passive. But you always keep in your mind that in active, whether you have first, second, third, fourth or fifth form, all the forms in passive voice will change into third form. And you have to learn all these rules to convert active into passive. Let's see how this 5-star will work in this sentence conversion, active to passive. So our first rule is identify. Okay, let's read the sentence. Riya sings a song. Here Riya is subject, sings verb, and a song is object. Let's see. SVO. SVO. This is active voice. Okay, now we have to convert it into passive, and the sentence structure would be object, verb, subject. Object, verb, subject. Now we will swap. Okay, this subject will come over here. This is Ria. We will write here Ria. And a song we will write here A capital song. Then a straight arrow. That is third rule. Convert verbs any form into third form. So this is verbs first form, sings. We will convert into third. Sing, sang, sung. So we will write here sung. Next rule is helping verb to be formed according to the rule. Yes, this is very important. So this is verbs first form. We will see how this chart will help you. This is verbs first form plus S or es. It means this is of present indefinite tense. It will convert into is, am, are. Verbs third form we have already changed. Now is, am, are. So how we will take is, am, are. Okay, here is a song. Okay, this is singular. A song. With singular we write is. अगर यहाँ पर हमारे पास songs होता फिर हम आर लगाते, अगर सब्जेक्ट आई होता तो हम एम लगाते. But now this is singular, so we will write here is. Next, our last rule is preposition by. We have to use by over here. Change subject के पहले. So Ria sings a song will convert into a song is sung by Ria.